Hello, I hadn't planned on making a video today, but I wanted to update you on that book I was talking about earlier, the memoir in my last video. I had a job interview this morning. Actually, it was a phone screening, but I think my chances are good. I've worked in the company before, and everybody likes me there in the department I was working in. So cross your fingers. Hopefully, I won't be jobless anymore. There's a glitch in the recording. Sorry about that. I wanted to be sure I got that. Anyway, um, I got an email back from someone in the publishing industry. He also writes books and so forth. So that's what I want to do. I want to work on my outline. I set a request for a book at the library. It's a book that he suggested for me. It's how to outline. It's by Michael Larson, and it's how to outline it's how to write a book proposal. And so third edition. So I already know some of the mechanics of doing a book I almost said book report, book proposal. And so that's what I want to do today. And I thought, hey, it's a little bit of a step forward. I'm going to dress up and show you. This is relatively new, and these aren't. However, I haven't worn them in a while. Now, you may see I don't like this wig. Although the hair color, people have complimented me quite a bit on the hair color, but it's very stringy, and as you can see, it gets stuck, gets tangled very easily. So this is an interim. I'm going to, now that I know more about wigs, I already have like 4 wigs already, but hopefully I'll get better and better. I do like this look though, because I love mermaids, and I got this one in order to dress up as a mermaid. Unfortunately, I didn't have the tail. It was for a Halloween party, and as much as I would have liked to have come in a tank, like a fish tank, with water and me swimming around, I had to drive, so that wasn't going to happen. So anyway, I'm going to get a better hair, maybe front. Now there are several different types of wigs. There's human hair, there's mixed. I do have one that's human hair, but it's a brunette. And I like blonde, and other people have said this. I really look cute as a blonde, so I'm going to stick with that. So I'm going to, what else? I'm going to write my outline. I'm going to send it over to him, but not before, of course, I get that book. I have personally, this channel I had set up really to develop my persona for music, for performing on stage, and I wanted to get back to that. As fun as this is, I do want it to go towards a purpose. Let me show you the keyboard that I have. Here you go. Now this is keyboard I think my mom bought for me, and I won't set it up right now, but a friend got it working recently, and it works now. So my next, just to say this aloud, to set myself on the right path, I'm going to work on lyrics, and I'm going to work on the music itself. Now, I had been listening to music, Prince and Bon Jovi, and all the other great 1980s music stars. Um, my favorite, I want to write songs that are 80s esque. So I'm thinking through my past. Um, there's something, I won't get into detail, but some songs I, of course, come from the heart. And there's one that is about a past attempted friendship with someone. And um, I, um, in text messages, well, we kind of split, and I texted her one final time. Now we split. Ironically, we split close to April, and we got back. We kind of had a reunion phone call in April, and then the following April, um, I posted something that didn't mention any names, but unfortunately, she read it and she thought it did apply to her, but she thought, she was really mad, and she said, "Don't contact me." So um, I just simply sent a text. This hair really doesn't look good. Actually, here. There we go. Okay, all right. So I sent a final text message saying all the things I wanted to say, just in case we didn't talk to each other yet. My high school reunion is coming up, 30th high school reunion, and I wonder if anybody, I wonder if anybody's seen these videos. I'd love to see what they say. I've really been working hard, and um, I want to perform on stage so badly. Anyway, I want to maybe in my next video, I'll come up with a list of songs. I know I'm procrastinating. I can feel it. Um, but I came up with a list of songs. Anyway, I said everything in that text message. I said everything I wanted to do, I wanted to say, and I mean well. And um, I mean well. And I text. So this past week, a few days ago, I sent one more message just asking, "Are you still mad at me?" And it's been several hours, and so there's no response. And um, fortunately, there's a way of deleting the message. So whether she read it or not, I don't know. But um, I deleted the message, and maybe I'll write a song. I plan to write a song about it, not mentioning names again. And also, I want to switch genders because I would be going as Samantha, performing. It's my stage name, and so I'll switch it to a guy. Um, uh, Another song I want to write is James Bond-esque. It's inspired by James Bond, and I want to come up with one album title. Maybe that's another thing I should come up with. I want to come up with one good album title. Um, I want to come up with the song titles and the actual songs. I know I'm procrastinating again, but I'll come up with those for next time. Okay, so I don't want to go any further. This is my update, and I do have a draft under my real name on Amazon. Um, it's a memoir of a few chapters, but I want to make this good. I want to make it a full length. I want to actually get money for it. So it's available on Amazon under my real name. It's, well, I'll just give the title. It's called Seeking Sunshine. Seeking Sunshine meaning I've been I'm seeking that paradise where the sun glows down on you and everything's warm and content. Um, so that's that. Thus the title. Oh, and I had a fun time with a coworker, a former coworker who that I worked with at the job that at the workplace that the company that I hope to be working for again, and she helped by buying me groceries at a Costco, and so I've got enough groceries to last for a while. Hopefully, um, it won't be too long before I get that job at a higher pay. So, all right. So with that and the money, and plus I still have some money left over from when my friends gave me that money. It's not much. It's like $100. But after I went right out and I spent some money to get groceries, and then this friend bought me some more, and so I can go for a little while. Um, but I think I aced the interview. Wish me good luck. Okay, so I guess I've said all I want to say. Please drop down any comments you have below. Maybe song titles or song album ideas, ideas for videos that you want to see, and tell me what you think of this overall look. Now there are ways of improving. I think my eyebrows. This certainly could be improved. I'm going to, as I said before, I'm going to get, once I get that job, I'm going to have my eyebrows feminized, well cut, like a feminine look, and that would cut down on, I know this looks like it's smeared. All right, so that's it for now. I'm gonna, I'll have something exciting hopefully for next time. All right, so wish you good luck. Oh, and please, if you like this channel, please like it and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Toodles!